Hey, party and crafty friends, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos. I'm Latoya, and today I'm sharing a quick Valentine's Day lunchbox idea using our free Valentine Lunchable labels from our blog. If you're looking for something simple that doesn't involve candy or complicated crafting, this is a really fun option, perfect for school lunches or Valentine's Day at home. To get started, first head on over to our blog and download the free Valentine Lunchable Label Printable. Once you open the PDF, you'll see that it includes two different label sizes. On page 1, we have the labels designed to fit the 3.2 ounce Lunchable box, and two labels will print on this page. And on page 2, you'll find the label designed to fit the 4.2 ounce Lunchable box. After clicking on print, the first thing I'm going to do is select the printer that I'm going to be using. Today I'm printing on my Epson 8550. Under Pages to Print, here is where you can select which page that you want to print so you don't have to print both pages. I also want to make sure I'm printing the actual size or at 100%. Since I'm printing on glossy paper, I'm going to open up my printer settings and select the correct paper type and print quality. For my paper type, I'm going to select photo glossy paper, and I'm going to make sure the print quality is set to best. We're printing on party and confetti glossy paper sheets. Once your labels are printed, go ahead and cut them out using scissors or a paper trimmer. The Lunchable I'm using is for the 4.2 ounce size box, so I'm going to start by cutting out that label first. To attach the label, I'm just using double-sided tape. Place the label right in the center of the front of the Lunchable and press down firmly. The labels are designed to cover the middle front of the package, leaving space around the edges so that it's still easy to open. I also wanted to show that the smaller labels can still fit the larger Lunchable too. It just doesn't cover as much, but it's still really cute. So you can use whichever one works best for you. To personalize the labels, I'm just using a permanent marker to add my kids' names. Or you can add your name from mommy since it says from. And that's it. Such an easy way to turn a regular lunch into a Valentine's surprise. You can grab this free Valentine's Lunchable printable over on our blog at hangingwiththekiddos.com. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more easy printables and DIY ideas. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.